Understanding Keep Fit, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase in English, keep fit. This phrase is all about maintaining good health and physical condition. So, let's dive into what it really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Keep fit is a phrase that means maintaining good physical health through exercise and diet. It implies regular physical activity and a conscious effort to stay healthy. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, especially when discussing lifestyle and health. Let's look at some examples to understand how keep fit is used. I go jogging every morning to keep fit. Eating a balanced diet is important to keep fit. She joined a yoga class to help her keep fit. In these sentences, keep fit is used to describe actions focused on staying healthy and physically active. Here are some simple tips for anyone looking to keep fit. 1. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity a day. 2. Eat healthily. Choose a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 4. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to allow your body to recover. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, keep fit, more confidently in English. Remember, keeping fit is all about a healthy lifestyle and regular exercise. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson. Stay healthy and keep fit.